Did I break it? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be unboxing my not so recent purchase. Yeah, not so recent. But I have a reason why. And I'm going to be unboxing the Airwrap from Dyson, the Dyson Airwrap, the ones that I see all the time on social media platforms and their ads, and I was always curious about hair tools. And by the way, I've done some kind of research and I don't know why I have two boxes. Maybe because I wasn't really fully paying attention, because I must admit it's quite expensive for hair tools, but I'm pretty sure it will meet your expectations because, you know, knowing Dyson, they are very popular in all these appliances and they're very good, and yes, they are also expensive. So yeah, I am going to be unboxing this without further ado, and stop talking, keep talking. I am going to get started unboxing this one. Okay, so yes, like I said earlier, I have two boxes that I received, so I'm not quite sure why I have two. I am going to start off with the small box. Okay, let me just stick that over here. Okay, oh yeah, interesting. It has, I guess these are all the attachments that comes with. It has the brush, the Dyson brush right here. Comes with this one. Oh, pretty cool. It's kind of moves, I guess, because when you comb your hair or while you are combing your hair, it's gonna rotate or give you that air for your hair to get dry. So this is one of them. It's one of them. And I have these brush, the round brush. So yeah, this is for like volumizing your hair. That's what I would assume. And these are like the barrels, two barrels that I have, and pretty much I have basically, I think it has 6, because I have another one of these and I'm not quite sure the size, so I guess these are the other two sizes for the barrels, the attachments. And this one, I have like a tiny one, so I guess this is for like if you want to tight curls. So these are like the other two. Okay, so yeah, so I guess that's why it came 2 boxes, because I have 6 barrels. The ones that I've seen previously, they only have 4 barrels, and I don't know why. So let me put that away, and now let's go to the next one, the heavy one. And I don't know why it's so heavy. I'm not sure if there's something more in it other than those barrels that I've showed you guys. It's really heavy, guys. I don't know what's in it. I am carrying, there's like a rock inside. Let me go, just wait. Oh, goodness. Oh. Okay. So, it has this thing, the silicone gel that they always use. But, okay, so anyway, so this is what it looks like. It's brown, more like a beige skin color. And it has these covering, okay, very fancy one. I don't know. It has this instruction, I guess. It's a mini instructions for you how to use it. Let me put that away. And it has these covering as well. This covering, kind of like a very, it's good. Oh, okay, it doesn't have anything in it other than the wand, or I guess the tool that you're gonna attach the barrels. I'm not really quite sure what you call it. And it has these, as far as I know, this is like a blow dryer. It's like a pre-blow dryer before you do your curls. So you have, when your hair is damp, or no, not quite damp, rather, it's actually, if your hair is a wet, fully wet, then it would give you, this is basically what you're gonna have to use for pre-styling. And these barrels have arrows in it, I guess because if you wanted to put up your hair on that direction, you're gonna have to use this. And then if you wanted to use on the other side, then you're gonna have to use the other barrel that goes on the right direction. Yes, I am going on the right direction. Hopefully I am. Oh, I was carrying that thing while I was showing you guys, so it's really, you know, really heavy. It is quite heavy. And yep, it has the thing over here that you can machine. So I am giving myself a hard time. Basically, I am doing this in a hard way to show you guys the Dyson. Very funny. So basically, yeah, it has this thing to at least to protect, I guess, and it has the cord. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it has, this is a very long cord, but I am not gonna be showing you guys because I am very bad in putting it back, so I don't want to mess it up because I get frustrated sometimes if the cord doesn't really belong to how it was. So yeah, so this is what it looks like, and it's not as heavy, but it has these like locking mechanism on the back of it. By the way, guys, I'm gonna be doing a demo for this, and at the moment I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna show you, like I said, I'm not gonna show you the cord. And it has these instructions, so I'm gonna have to go over with this one because I'm not really familiar with everything else. I only went through some of the reviews or some unboxing videos. So yeah, this is the container. So I guess if you wanted to be more organized, you're just gonna have to put this one, and it's really good. And by the way, I did not notice this one. It has this little tiny thing inside. Let me see what it is. Oh, it's like a ring with kind of like a brush inside. So I'm not really quite sure what it is one. So yeah, I am not gonna be showing you how to use that yet. I am going to be doing another video of how to use this Dyson, but as of the moment, I am going to be just showing you guys what's in the box. Yeah, it's really quite nice too. The color is nice, pink, hot pink, or should I say fuchsia, I guess. I don't know how. Nowadays, colors are more complicated. You know, the blue, they name it in a different kind of blue, name of the blue. So what else do you have to name for color blue? You know what I mean? Or pink, or it's just too complicated. I mean, probably the kids nowadays are getting confused with the color as well. But yes, and I have all these barrels. So I guess, yeah, because you know what? Now it makes more sense to me because you know what? I figure maybe that's why other people probably have all those, you know, I've seen some of the videos, by the way, they have all these dividers on in the box, but for me I don't have. So maybe because I have 6 barrels that I received, the 6 attachments of these, so they don't really much. And no, because it's okay, now I figure it out. I finally did figure it out. So it's not, some of the barrels are like short ones, so these are pretty, like I think this is like a 6-inch one. So I'm basically just gonna have to put it away in it, like just go and keep dropping all of these attachments, these barrels. Oh, they're heavy. And I don't know why I did this video with this. I'd rather have to be at least be more far away from the camera, but since I'm here, let me just show it to you. So bear with me, guys. So yeah, so this is what the attachment, so this is what it looks like inside. So pretty much that's what I did. Okay, because I cannot put them up, because if I put them up, then it will basically not gonna be able to close it because they're too long. Nope, that's not gonna go that way. And this is basically what's gonna be over here. So let me just show you guys. Did I break it? No. This is a $550 gonna give you a heart attack. So I dropped it, but still okay, thankfully. And I hope I did not break any of it. I guess not. So this is what it looks like. So I just dumped everything in it, and it has all these, the barrels and any other things, and really, yes, it is quite heavy. So there's no other way that you have to put this thing. I guess you're just gonna have to go insert or just leave it like that. But you just really have to be careful, like me as a very clumsy person. I dropped this, and yeah, I'm very glad that it did not break. So this is what it looks like, guys. Let me just take this off since you're already here. You already showed this. Let me just take that off. So yeah, there you go. I wanted to put this inside, like in a standing position, but it fit. There you go. It did fit. It did. You just have to figure things out. You know what I mean? And perfect. So yes, there you go. So I guess the other people, they have a different types of the sizes of the barrels. So that's why they were able to put it in the standing position of those barrels. But because for myself, I have maybe because of the 6-inch one. Yes, obviously that's what it is. Like I said, yeah, it's heavy. Man, come on. I mean, I wanted to travel too, but not at the moment because we are having this situation that we cannot really travel. But for traveling purposes, and if you're gonna be carrying this, it's not really convenient. I hope they will invent some kind of like a travel size version of this Dyson. I'm pretty sure they're gonna come up with something like that, but I hope that they do have like the more convenient and travel friendly hair tools, especially for women who likes to have a luxurious hair. Right now I'm putting my hair up because yes, I am not so having a good hair day. So, and by the way, if you want me to show you guys how to use this Dyson Airwrap, leave the comment section below. So there you guys have it. It's really quite heavy. I am not sure why it's so heavy, but I guess because of the protection itself, which is good. Yeah, okay, so yes, so there you have it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, even though I messed up a lot. And like I said, if you want me to do a video of how to use this Dyson Airwrap, I'll be showing to you, leave in the comment section below. So if you find this video helpful, like and share this video to your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please hit that bell notification so you'll be able to get notified for my future videos. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye! And by the way, guys, if you wanted to see me how to use this Dyson Airwrap, leave a comment section below. There's a noisy car outside running, and I don't know why they have a very loud muffler. Perfect for doing videos, but